Customer wants a stage, so we have this beautiful Airstream Stage sitting here that is in pretty rough shape, but they want the stage not like the one that we did that had the Lamborghini doors. The customer wants the stage to fold down. It's going to be completely different than the one we just did. I'm going to warn you before you go inside, you're in for a treat. So we got a lot of gutting to do first. What do you think, Mike?
Wow.
Danger. So the question is, left or right side? And how big of a stage can we sneak out of this?
Well, the last stage we built it door side, but we had problems with the structure itself. Losing all of this at the doorway caused us problems and a lot extra work. We might want to think about this side, especially since it's a stage. If it's opening up this way, then we have a entryway for the band to come in.
That's probably a good idea. So your hinge is going to be down here. You're going to have to build up all the framing support for all that. You're real brave to do that.
Here we go.
Well, let's bring in the shop, figure out what we're going to do. Let's start doing it. All right, well, here we are. Let's fold it down. That was a good idea to cut it there that I came up with, not you. So on the stage, when we've made this, water's obviously the most intrusive thing you got to be careful of. So we cut this, we have a gasket behind this, and then we have a diversion track up on the top so that water will fall off to the sides of it. But now it's solid, strong. You got steel tubing down here with your hinge. I mean, it's turned out pretty cool. We're pretty excited. For the customers wanted to be able for the bands to plug in. We try to make it as simple as we can for them. With the floors raised up, the hinge system, fab, it's a solid trailer.